Help me!
Hey everyone, today we have a challenge: who can jump over the lava, or who will even survive?
Wait! A shark in the lava? No, seriously, who put that in there? Hello, guys! Are you ready?
Hello!
Hello.
Hello!
Hello, boy.
Hello? We are ready.
Ready? Go! Ready, set, go! Okay! Ah! I'm falling!
Oh no! It's a shark!
Ready? Go! Okay! Oh no! It's bomb! No, 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 no!
Ouch! Ow! Ouch!
Ready, set, go!
Okay!
Oh no! It's bomb! Ah! I'm falling! Fire! Fire! Oh my god! Fire! Ready, set, go! Okay! Oh, no, 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 no! Ready, set, go! Okay! Oh, no, 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 no! Ready, go! Okay! Help me! Ready, set, go! Okay! Whoa, I'm flying! This is too high!
Oh, my wheels, my suspension!
Ow! My leg! Ow!
Go!
Okay!
Oh no! It's bomb! No, 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 no! Ready, set, go!
Okay!
Oh no! It's bomb! Fire! Fire! Oh my god! Fire! Ah! I'm falling!
Oh no! It's a shark!
Go!
Okay! No.
Oh, yeah! We have a winner! He won our Leva Challenge! See you next time, friends!